Hi, welcome to your employee guide on Connecteams documents. With documents, you can submit all the documents you need to start working or that are required by your employer, such as forms, certifications, licenses, and more. With documents, you'll onboard faster. It will also ensure that your information is up to date without the fear of losing your files or unnecessary communication. To upload your documents, enter your profile and then click on Personal Documents, where you'll see all the documents your employer needs to receive from you. On the right side of each document, you'll see its status. The blue arrow indicates a document you still need to upload. For example, your driving license. To upload it, click on it, then on Upload Files, and choose your file. Your employer may require you to add your document's expiration date. If that's the case, you must insert it before submission. Once you're done, click on Submit Document. If the document status changes to pending, it means your employer wants to review your document. Once a document has been approved or rejected, its status changes automatically. If rejected, your manager can leave a note explaining why, saving you the trouble of asking. You'll be automatically notified when such changes occur. If you see the Download Blank Document button, your employer has added a document you need to download, fill out, and upload. If the document has an expiration date, you'll see an indication of when it's about to expire, receive notifications before it does, and see if it's already expired. This way, your documents will always be up to date, ensuring there are no issues with your employment and without you needing to remember anything. Thank you for watching.